We are, we are, we are. Hello, everybody. Welcome.
The war. We are the children.
Oh, right. Yeah,
We
yeah.
are in love. I don't know who sang that. I can't Google we are in love because that will zero
Well, like 500 million results.
literally one Googleplex results.
One Googleplex.
Yeah, it's like a one with
Ah,
a lot of zeros.
a lot of zeros. Anyway, hello, everybody.
Much
Thank
zeros.
y'all for joining me. I know we have some very special watchers up at North Hill. Hello, Seth and William. And hello to everybody else who is watching. Remember, tell everybody we are live. We're going to be doing really nice songs for 2 minutes, 2 hours. Don't worry, we're going to be on for more than 2 minutes.
Oh, we'll be
And,
doing some nice songs for 2 minutes and then we're done.
Make some noise in the chat. Literally like that. You spell it with 4 Q's, I've heard. And
I'll write it.
yeah, you going for it? And yeah, otherwise, we've got some really nice music for you guys. So stay tuned and let us know if you have any requests.
Be caps lock.
Oh, okay. Joel's working out how to say this. The vocal fry. There's so much vocal fry. Anyway, let us know who is listening and where you're listening from. I think we should have the lovely Lynn watching as well. So I'm assuming we'll be hearing about her pink gin and tonic. And I'm upset we don't have gin and tonic, though. Like, we really should be...
Call it linen tonic from now.
Linen tonic! Here, that just had the best... that'll be the... When we start making enough for, like, merchandise, it'll be, like, linen tonic.
Linen tonic.
I'm so happy. Love you, Lynn. Thank you for tuning in and always
we will
being
be
there.
making enough for merchandise when we make enough to buy our food. So.
That's true. Yeah, first we need to get, like, rent covered. And we live in the Netherlands, so...
That's like 3,000 a day.
5,000 a month. Hi, Max. Nice that you're there. Thank you for joining the Fambo. Day 2 of lockdown. What's up?
Really in lockdown
Yeah, the UK's gone back into lockdown again, which is really not very good. People who are watching on YouTube and Facebook, Anyway, people watching on Instagram and Facebook, head over to YouTube. You know what it's like. It is so warm in here. Hi, Pia. Lovely that you're there. Yeah, I know, but still, it's like, thank you. I'm just literally
you're
so
very
sexy that, like, no, it's very warm in here. And my nephews are watching this, so they just heard me say this. Hi, guys.
And then also João and Hida are here.
João. The nasality of it, guys. Did you hear that? João. Like, you literally couldn't be any more nasal. Okay, Joao's coming to... João. It is making us tea.
Look at this lovely pillow that our hosts have. So beautiful. And they have one with a peacock as well.
But it's not here, right? They took it back.
We took it upstairs. Lovely tea flavored tea. Have you seen this? Look at this. It's nice.
Lynn's already had 2 glasses of pink gin.
Water flavored water for you. Going crazy. Gin and tonic.
Linen tonic.
Linen tonic.
Linen
Sorry,
tonic.
Linen tonic.
That's amazing. That's lit. I swear. Okay, y'all heard it here first. The first set of merchandise we do will be caps that say linen tonic on it.
With a little bottle next to it.
With a
like a snapback.
yeah.
We'll have Beefeater.
I want one of those.
Will be paying us to do that.
Who?
Beefeater is gin, right?
Ah, Beefeater. Right. Yeah.
It's
No,
cute
like-
decor. Yeah, right?
It's very sweet. Ah, and we have. It's very pillowy today. Billowy and pillowy. Yeah, go on.
Wait.
How much? Let's see how many. No, let's see how many we could get. Anyway, guys, stay with us. Thank you for joining. How is lockdown going for all of you? How is lockdown going for everybody? I'm sorry that you guys are back in lockdown. We're also back in lockdown, but we professionals, so we're still allowed to do this. Otherwise, we wouldn't be allowed, which would be sad. Eu estou muito triste se isso foi a casa.
We are
Caso.
professionals.
Yo, I mean, well, no, we're legit. Lynn loves it. Yo, bro, can you rustig aan? I don't know a cushion song. What's a pillow song? I'm not quite sure how to respond to this.
It's Kylie Minogue, Slow.
I don't know it. I'm such a bad gay.
Oh, it's such a good song.
That's just what you sound.
That's a nice statement. I'm such a bad gay.
Whenever I don't really like Miley Minogue, Kylie Minogue. All right. Okay, rustig. The gin is helping lockdown. I believe it is. Yeah.
So good.
Wait, hold on. I can't see it. Let me click on live.
Oh my lord.
Anyway, so I think if anything, we don't have enough pillows.
Okay, we can arrange that.
All right.
Oh no!
Don't move.
Don't move. Okay. I can't believe that's staying.
Yeah, it's not very visible. This will work.
This is literally like Arjan Lubach when he's like, kleine kussen voor op de bank, 233, maar ik kom niet eens in de buurt met iets van 512 huizen. Nou, goed, dat heb ik van de week gekeken. Oh, bruv. Bravinsky. Okay, let's pillows away.
No, I got another two.
No, bruvs. Can we rustig aan with the pillows, please?
No, now we have to choose.
No, we have to do it.
Okay, now, okay.
It's mandatory. It's a
I still need to learn.
lockdown rules here.
How did we get to this?
It's your fault.
Well, it's because of you. It's not your fault. I mean,
We-
whose
we-
fault is
I
anything?
even had a WhatsApp from Sean who's watching us saying he can't type in YouTube, but the pillows are beautiful. So thank you, Sean.
Sean Bell, I think.
No, Sean O'Hare. I don't know how to pronounce his surname. Sorry, Sean. O'Hare.
Maybe for next time, we could put all around the piano, covering all the piano.
Okay, boys, but for real, let's start. Okay.
Okay, so now we have a theme.
Yeah. So we
theme
just
set.
have the flower pillows.
Now we have a set. Okay. Let's.
You can go.
I. These pillows may be moved before we start.
You can start.
Guys.
But is this? No. Oh.
No, because I want to use the first one for Instagram publicity, and I don't want to try and explain this to people.
So much work, so much effort.
We can keep one. We can keep one on like the guest chair and throw me the nice one.
Well, the parrot one.
No,
I'm
oh,
not drawing.
Joao's in the mood now.
Grumpy.
Okay, Sean says it's hair like the rabbit.
Okay. Or hair like the hair on your head.
Well, that's also what I was thinking. I thought that was a bit of a.
Which hair is it?
Thank you,
Hair
Joao.
Or hair or hair?
Okay, so I'm sure all of you guys, thank you boys for removing the pillows. I'm sure all of you have been following the news with elections and everything. So we're starting off with an American medley, and Wids is joining me for the very last one, which is the 5th song with Zinho.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Which song?
You,
Mouth is?
This is going
de land wat ook een stad van de VS is.
Oh.
Dus heb je een land
Oh.
waar ik heel graag naartoe ga.
Ja. Okay.
Dat is jouw...
Ja.
Daarna ga jij.
Hey, look what I found. More.
So, guys, thank you for joining in. Let us know if you have any requests. And otherwise, let's go to America or the US. Because if there's any Latinos watching, they'll be shouting at me that I said America. So, okay. Did we do a sound check? We didn't do a sound check. Or we did it?
What?
Okay,
all
okay,
the time
okay.
you were just
I was messing around. I mean, like you didn't even. Okay. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly gleaming. And the rocket's red glare, like the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountain majesty above the fruited plain. America, God shine His grace on me and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Now that our mountain is growing with people hungry for wealth, how come it's you that took going, and I'm left alone by myself? We used to hunt the cool caverns deep in our forest of green. Then came the road and the tavern, and you found a new love, it seems. and I can't help from blaming your going on the coming of the Look how they've cut all to pieces our ancient redwood and oak, and the hillsides are stained with the creases that burnt up the heavens with smoke. You used to curse the bold crewmen who stripped our earth of its ore, and you've changed and you've gone over to them, and you've learned to love what you hated before. Once I thanked God for my treasure, now it's just dusty road, and I can't help from blaming your going on the coming of the Georgia, the whole day through, just a sweet old song keeps Georgia on my mind. Georgia, Georgia, a song of you comes as sweet and clear as moonlight through the pine. smile, smile tenderly, still in peace for dreams I see. The road leads back to you. Oh, Georgia, Georgia, a song of you comes as sweet and clear, like Georgia on my mind. Reach out to me. Other eyes smile tenderly, still in peace for dreams I see. The road leads back to you. Keeps Georgia on my mind.
Take me back to the black hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I love. Lost my heart in the black hills of Dakota, where the pines are so high that they kiss the sky above. And when I get that lonesome feeling and I'm miles away from home, I hear the voice of the mystic mountain calling me back home. Take me back to the black hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I love.
the black hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I love. Lost my heart in the black hills of Dakota, where the pines are so high that they kiss the sky above. And when I get that lonesome feeling and I'm miles away from home, I hear the voice of the mystic mountains calling me back home. So take me back to the black hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I love. Take me back to the black hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I love. Lost my heart in the black hills of Dakota, where the pines are so high that they kiss the sky above. And when I get that lonesome feeling and I'm far away from home, I hear the voice of the mystic mountains calling me back home. Take me back to the black hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I love.
Wow, Benjamin, that was some really nice musicking. Nicely done.
Oh, it's very fun.
Congratulations.
Aw, so many. Oh my lord, Pedro.
You know what I think? I think we had a lot of fun with Pedro and Anna, but that
Goedenavond, Arie.
the joke has lived a long and full life.
Yeah. Maybe we should get another one.
I think it's time to put the joke to bed.
So like the other way around, so now it's Anna and Pedro, not Pedro and Anna.
That's
Then
funny.
it's a new joke.
Classic.
Boom.
Nice.
Anyway, so the lovely Victoria is here, and y'all know her from the last postcard concert.
Yeah.
And in the mountains, it was Rila, right? Rila Mountains. Oh no, it's Vitosha. Vitosha. I think
It's like Beethoven Symphony.
Ah,
Beethoven
okay.
Sixth Symphony, I think.
So, anyway, Victoria, sorry. Lynn saying Gesundheit.
Ah, thanks Lynn. Gezondheid. Gezondheid with Hidde.
No is Rila. Sorry, that's not how Vicky speaks. Sorry.
No is real.
No Israel.
Oh, is real.
This is more how Joao speaks.
is real mountain.
Tajak.
Taihak. I
So-
don't speak like that.
I don't speak like that.
I don't speak like that.
So everybody can join in singing happy birthday to the lovely Victoria.
Till.
Vicky.
Hey, Vicky.
Victoria,
Hey,
Vicky,
Vicky.
yeah. I'm going to say Vicky.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vicky. Happy birthday to you.
Lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven, lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Iber de piep, hoera, de piep, hoera, iber de piep, hoera. Zij leven hoog, zij leven hoog, zij leven hoog, zij leven hoog. Ja, hoog, ja, hoog, ja, hoog, ja. Zij leven hoog.
Okay. Happy birthday, Vicky. Hope you had a lovely week and that you have a lovely year.
Yeah. For the mystery.
No is Rila. That's nice. That's how you speak in
No
Belgium
is
now.
Rila. Rila mountain.
Noerilla Mountain.
In Bulgaria we have mountain. It's called the Rila mountain.
It's not like the Netherlands.
Yeah. Hey, we have mountains. You know the one close to the conservatoire, right? Where you have to go up to the station. It's quite high.
Ridiculous.
It's like 7 meters, you know? Why you
It's
laugh?
probably the
It's the tallest mountain.
probably the
in the
highest
region.
peak in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
I can't even speak. The highest peak in the Netherlands. It's
Shall
in
we
The
do?
Hague, very close to the center. Actually,
Yeah.
it's just in the back of the central station.
It might even be above sea level.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Are you? Nah. I don't think so.
Vicky, let us know if you have a request, my love. Boys, let's do one of the ones that I
Let's.
messed up last week.
Let's.
Yeah, okay.
One of the ones we messed up last week. I like that.
Thick R and L and out of breath. That's how she says she speaks. Rila mountain.
Rila.
Rila.
Out of breath?
I d-
I don't really
I don't
understand.
get the no.
Send us a voice
Rila,
note.
Rila mountain. It's
That's-
very sultry.
That's very breathy.
That's Rila mountain.
But that sounds like the Mongolians with their throat singing.
Oh, Hidde can do a thing where he does 2 notes at once.
I haven't practiced. I'm not
Okay.
going to do that. I'm not going to bust that one out just yet. I put it a bit further away because I can't see the screen otherwise if I'm here. So that's a bit shit. Okay.
Oh, you can say those words.
Sorry, it's a bit
Is-
chips.
No, you can.
Ships.
You can put it back. I was just messing. Which one of the ones we missed last time?
The wind rises.
O vento raizinho.
O vento se levanta. Olá, eu sou
Olá,
o Benjamin.
eu sou-
Levanta-se.
You are the worst.
Hey,
Oh, then it's...
could you give me a pillow, Anna? Yes, for all the harm
Dude,
we've
that's-
done you. Maybe we
Yeah,
should give
that-
her a pillow.
Maybe
Probably
we
should.
should give you a pillow of our not own pillows.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'm sure they'll fine with us just stealing their
Exactly.
pillows.
I think that's how it works, right?
Yes. The wind rising. Okay.
So this next one's from a really beautiful song, film. Well, I explained all this last week, and I think the most of you were here.
Hopefully
Um,
this time it will be a beautiful song.
No, it was beautiful last time. It was just I probably
Yeah.
told Hibiki something bad about his family and the Japanese without realizing.
By accident.
This, like just rampant passive aggression. Passive aggression. Oh,
What do I want? What am I doing?
Oh.
excuse me, Vicky? Oh, they're hearing it best. It's
Ik
probably
weet-
the...
Ik wil een kind van jou. All right. Life decisions are being made.
Not feeling very comfortable yet.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that. Dois.
Dois.
No, we say completely the opposite. Meio.
Ah, okay. Ja.
Half.
Mei.
You got it? Shiroi sakamichi ga sora made tsuzuite ita Yura kagero ga ano ko o tsutsumu daremo kizukazu tada itori あの子は登ってゆく何もそれないそして舞い上がる空に憧れて空をかけてゆくあの子の命は飛行機雲高いあの窓であの子は死ぬ前を空を見ていたの他の人にはわからないあまりにも若すぎとただ思うだけけれど幸せ空に憧れて空をかけてゆくあの子の命は飛行機雲空に憧れて空をかけてゆくあの子の命は飛行機Nice. Thank you, boys. While you're all here, should we do another one?
Okay.
K-Don. Which ones can I get rid of? This one. This one. Nice. Yeah. There's 20 of y'all watching and we have 13 likes. So in 10, I want y'all to click on the like button underneath the video. Hans en Ann, superleuk dat jullie er zijn. Ik hoop dat jullie niet die American medley gemist hebben. Anders kunnen jullie dat terugkijken. Maar ik heb helemaal mijn Mariah Carey ding gedaan. Dus. Yeah, with both of us?
Yeah.
After,
you want
okay.
to.
Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do one of the three of us first.
No, it's just an idea. Likes.
Oh yeah, likes. So, There's
And
21.
subscribe.
There's and subscribe.
And
If anybody hasn't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I saw Vicky just subscribed,
money.
so thank you. And Puli, remember, underneath there's Petcha Off, and y'all can help us keep making these concerts. It takes a lot of work.
Our bills.
Yeah, which
Is important.
is also important. So I'm gonna count down from 5, and then all of y'all can like the video underneath or give it a dislike. That's also fine. I like that game of having it going up from 0 to.
I'm also going to do it. As
You're also
said.
gonna do it? Okay.
I already did it.
So 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
I don't see anything happening. Okay. We're going. We're getting there. We're still missing 5 people.
How many likes do we get for that? Or dislikes?
Oh, dislikes.
Down likes? Unlikes?
Down likes.
Down likes. Yeah, I'm upset we've started saying it properly now.
Well, we can unlearn it.
Oh.
Yeah, we can unlearn. I see what you there did.
Unlearn. I mean, it's a word, right? Unlearn.
Yeah.
I don't.
Of course it isn't more.
17.
To unlearn something. No, you. I don't know. It doesn't sound like good English. To unlearn, to put something out of the mind. Okay, it's in the dictionary, but that was an American dictionary. Anyway, so.
Oh my god. I know that one.
Quando sono solo sogno all'orizzonte mancan le parole. Sì, lo so che non c'è luce in una stanza quando manca il sole. Se non ci sei tu con me, con me. Sulle finestre mostra il tutto il mio cuore che hai acceso, chiudi dentro me la luce che hai incontrato per strada. Con te partirò, paese che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. Adesso sì li vivrò con te. Partirò su navi per mare che io lo so, non esistono più. Con te io li vivrò. Cuando estás muy lejos sueño un horizonte falto de palabras y yo sé que siempre estás ahí, ahí. Una luna hecha para mí. Siempre te iluminas para mí, por mí, por mí, por mí. Por ti volaré.
contigo yo vivo. Time to say goodbye. Horizon, sun never far. Would I have to find them alone without true light of my own? With you, I will go on ships overseas that now I know, now they don't exist anymore. It's time to say se dia alguém perguntar por mim, diz que vivi para te amar. E antes de ti só existi, cansado e sem nada para dar. Meu bem, ouve as minhas pressas, faz só que regressas, que uma volta já querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Meu bem, ouve as minhas preces, peço que regressas, que me voltes a querer. Eu sei que não se ama sozinho, talvez devagarinho possas voltar a aprender. Se o teu coração não quiser ser, não só ter paixão, não quiser sofrer, sem fazer planos do que virá depois. O meu coração pode amar pelos dois.
sou de paixão, não quis sofrer. Sem fazer planos do que virá depois. O meu coração pode amar pelos dois. That was very nice. Hola, Marta.
Thanks, Anna.
Thanks, Anna. How do you say nice that you're there in Portuguese for Marta?
Que bom que você está aí.
Que bom que você está aí. Anna.
That's the Brazilian version of Benjamin.
You mean that's Benjamin?
Yeah.
I'm kind of Brazilian.
O meu coração é cheio da alegria que...
Está.
What?
Boom.
Because
Está cheio da alegria que estás com nós. Conosco. Yeah. Yeah, I know that. Conosco.
Did you know in Spanish?
Yeah.
Con
Oh.
nosotros.
Oh.
Con nosotros.
Obrigado, Ana.
Oh, we have a request of L'amour de moi.
Oh.
L'amour
Maar
de mon
eerst-
ton visage. A tua cara.
Ton visage.
Ton visage.
Ton visage. Ta visage. Ah.
I think it's le. Ton visage.
Visage.
Yeah.
I think so.
Then we agree.
No, but it's la visage. That's for when we
Let's
translate this.
look it up.
French. Your face.
Face it.
Can you say that to Dad?
Face it, Rog.
Your face is like a song. Your sweet eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features are in tune. Let's sing together and turn every month to June. Your face arms makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella. No longer lonely. Loving you only.
We are in love with you.
Oh my God.
Your lips with mine will rhyme, and when they touch me, it's a symphony divine. Your cheeks, your ears, your hair, weave me a melody so rare. Your face arms
eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features are in June. Let's sing together and turn every month to June. Your Frasers month makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella, no longer lonely. Loving you only. Loving you
It's not working.
Internet?
Hey, that's a good one. Okay, yeah. No, it's fine. I just couldn't find the words.
Oh.
No, I guess it is. Okay, bye. Bye, B.
Okay. Then I'll go. L'amour de moi, si enclose. Un joli jardinette où croît la rose et la muguette, et on s'y fait la passe ce jardin est bel et il est garni de toutes fleurs. En douce va si du
Maria. You remember that one? No, not that one. It's just a pop song.
I got the news.
And I got to see her or something.
Tort, mort, rossignol. Okay. My mouth is ready.
Rossignol, che bassa Franza, Rossignol. Anco mare, mala mare, Rossignol. D'un bel boscaccio, Rossignol.
formaggio rossignol, donde boscaggia rossignol, non posso rossignol, cantava la bella rossignol, donde boscaggia rossignol,
What would I do without your smart mouth drawing me in and you kicking me out? Got my head spinning, no kidding, can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. Head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you.
How many times do I gotta tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around through every mood. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, but chatter and blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Loves your curves and all your edges, true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors, 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 like a rainbow. Thank you, Ed. Lying in my bed, I hear clock tick and think of you, caught up in circles. Confusion is nothing new. Flashback to warm nights almost left behind. Suitcase of memories. Time after sometimes you picture me. I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me. I can't hear what you have said, and you say go slow and not fall behind. The second hand unwinds. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I'll catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're luck, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. Ooh, if you fall, I will catch you. I will be waiting. Time after time. thank you all for being here with us. That was Time After Time. Yeah, I taught Vicky how to ride a bike, and we did sing L'amour de moi. Yeah, we sung that at Hitters Bros' wedding, so it was very nice to do that together again. Yeah, Claire, if you're watching, I hope you're well. I hope you have a lovely week. And I hope that all of you noticed the time after time after time after time after time at the end. Bit of minimalism for y'all there.
Whoa. So cool.
Literally so cool. Oh, if y'all have any requests, let me know. Remember, like, subscribe. I know I don't like saying it. Guys watching, if you're watching on Facebook or Instagram, head over to YouTube. And remember that underneath, y'all can donate. Underneath, bruv. Joao's being cool behind the screens.
No, I am in front of the screen.
Well, yeah, you know what I mean. My sister just texted me saying, your hair! So I'm assuming there was something. I don't know. Spent a while fiddling with it today as well. It was... yeah, and remember, underneath, y'all can support us on Pecha Off, and that would be absolutely amazing. We already have Elma and Beth who support us there, so make sure y'all sign up. Yeah, if you guys have any requests, let us know. Joao, are your parents watching? Because I owe you,
I have no idea.
I owe your dad a song.
Yeah, I can text him. Kana Summers says, can I request Wild by John Legend
Oh, I don't know it.
on Facebook? Hey, can I go to YouTube is way
Claire
better.
Joanne loved it so much.
Ah, Claire, head to YouTube because the quality is so much better, and same for Kaina. Kaina and Jess.
I said your name wrong.
Head over to YouTube. Just search Benjamin Diego Laram, and then it will be there saying
No,
live.
but it's in the description on the video.
Oh, it's in the description on the video, so
Yes.
just click onto that. I have a big spot on my arm, and I just pulled it off.
And Mahmoud Zen sent my sweetheart.
Oh, that's cute. Hi, Mahmoud.
Oh, no.
Hey, Jasper.
Whatever that.
Oh, Joao finished the stream.
No, no,
Joao
I did
killed the internet
something
again.
else.
Joao broke the internet.
Oh, maybe your phone died.
Ah.
Yeah, that was it.
Okay.
How can you live
What?
like this, Benjamin?
Dude, it was fully charged before I came here. The batteries just shot to pieces. Honestly, like last Apple update, and now I like charge it. Joao saw it. I charged it. It was 25%, and within 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, it was down 6%. So I don't think my next phone is going to be Apple. Although I do say that every single time. I say that absolutely
Hey, Steve
every.
Jobs. Oh, it sucks to be that and to be you. Look what they did to your company. I mean, you started it, so.
If you all guys remember, that was not English grammar. If you guys remember from also the last postcard concert, I was walking some lovely dogs in the middle of Cornwall, and Widzinho came to Cornwall with us as well, and there we hung out with. Well, I hung out. I don't think you hung out with Jess Summers, who is the best friend anybody could ask for. I am blessed with these two lovely boys here with me, who join us in the concerts, but I'm also blessed with Jess and her family back in Cornwall. And it was a very special day for Jess a few days ago. So we are all going to sing happy birthday.
Well, I was going to water his
I have to
plants.
go, my plants are asking me for much.
You have a reminder?
I'll get mine tomorrow. I'm looking forward. Saturday is plant watering day for me.
Ah, that's nice.
Oh, sorry.
Mine's Sunday.
Sorry, Jess.
Yeah.
And
we broke
Wednesday
your
as well.
thing.
So happy birthday
Jess.
for Jess.
Oh.
I'll get my best Mariah Carey on. Everybody can send.
And I don't want to learn for Christmas.
Everyone can send Jess some love in the comments. And sing along at home. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jess. Happy birthday to you.
lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria.
Happy birthday, Jess. I hope you had a lovely day and that you have a lovely week.
What?
What?
Let me.
Let me.
Let me. You.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Which is funny because that's
Let
also
me.
the sound.
Oh, Jess, lovely that you're in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. No, love you really, babe.
I know Halloween was on Saturday, but still.
Huh? What was on Saturday?
Halloween.
Oh.
This is Halloween.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I'm trying to. People have requested. I'm seeing.
In Portugal, we have a very nice tradition on the 1st of November.
Can't send it. Joao, check Facebook on your phone.
Which Facebook? You sent me to Facebook? But your phone is online again. It's not working.
No, it's. You have to log in and then go to WhatsApp for me to send it. But I just sent it to Facebook.
Ah.
Is it back?
Yes. Okay, there we go.
Oh.
We did this as a duet a while ago, and people were asking for it again. So
Whomstver.
Twice?
who asked?
Who did that
Uh,
as a duet?
Me and Joao.
Gino.
Ginho.
Oh, Ginho. Oh, I know
Joao's
that
is-
guy.
Joao's is Ginho in my phone.
Ginho.
So thank you.
Ginho. João Ginho.
Your leg was further away then. This is
Oh.
actually a plus 18 plus show now. Yes. Oh, your mum's watching.
Yeah.
Shame on you, boys.
Joao, you first verse. Me
Wait. Look, it's
What? Me. You
that
first
bar
verse.
moving there.
Are you watering
Rosef.
your plants through the Wi-Fi connection in your house?
Yeah.
I'm sure that's possible.
Yeah. I saw, but it's very expensive.
Yeah.
Like a self-watering pot.
Hmm.
But I think it costs like 400 euros.
But isn't part of the joy of plants watering them yourselves?
Sure, Yeah.
Yourself.
yourselves.
Guys, if you have any other requests, let us know. If you have any requests not in English, extra bonus points. Joao, tell your dad he only has 20 minutes to listen to our Portuguese song.
Maybe I'll tell my mom. And
But
my
has it loaded?
Medium
now
range.
it's loading.
Dude,
I
why
don't
is it so slow?
I don't know because
Poo internet.
no, it's from a weird website. For piano. It's time to give Staghorn some love. It's time to give Bertie some love. That's the names they have in the when you add a new plant.
Oh, I was like, what is going on?
I have a Bertie
Staghorn.
Staghorn.
Okay.
Staghorn.
Did you choose the names yourself, or was it like
No, was it
randomized?
the names that they proposed?
Joao, I just sent you the PDF.
Thank you.
I know a fun game. We can play the song, and I will play the melody, but with lots of accidentals. And if someone guesses what it is, we can play the actual song.
But we just said what song it is.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh well, okay.
But still, you can. So you first verse, me second verse, third verse you, melody and me harmony. Yeah.
Am I singing?
No.
What is this?
Oh, bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
We did
Well,
this
by
once
then.
ages ago.
Ages are back.
Wait, ages ago.
Ages are back in a go.
Ages back, ages ago. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. What's up?
Ach,
What's up?
as I would say in Dutch. Ach. Okay. Now it's only the rose.
You know,
Na,
You
na,
first,
na,
first.
na, na,
Bruh.
na, na, na,
Dude, we only have 20 minutes.
na, na. Oh, I have to text my. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Sorry. I'm sorry,
I apologize for Joao.
Joao has to do some shit posting first.
Joao's just making memes.
I'm
first.
browsing some memes
Yeah.
that they can't wait. It has to be right now.
Benji boy modulation posting. Benjamin Mariah Carey posting.
Modulating Mariah Carey with Arabic ornaments. Shit. Rest in peace, headphone users.
Oh, I didn't do it in the microphone. Rest in peace. Sadly, the coronavirus didn't survive Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
What?
Peace.
Or do you mean Sergio Ramos?
Oh, I hate him.
Yeah, he's also.
Yeah, exactly. He's good.
Okay, I'll do my best. Some say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul to bleed. Some say love, it is a hunger, an endless aching need. I say love, it is a flower, and you, it's only seed.
It's a heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance. It's the dream afraid of waking that never takes a chance. It's the one who won't be taken, who cannot seem to give, and the soul afraid of dying that never learns to live. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too long, and you think that love is only for the lucky and the strong, just remember in the winter, far beneath the bitter snows, lies the seed that with the sun's love in the spring becomes the rose. since it's been a bit of a crazy week. And I'm stressed as you know what with the... I know what you two are doing.
You don't know.
I absolutely do.
What are we doing?
The falling leaves drift by my window. The falling leaves are red and gold. I see your lips, the summer kisses, the sunburned hands I used to hold. Since you went away, the days grow long, and soon I'll hear old winter's song. But I miss you most of all, my darling. When autumn leaves start to since you went away, the days grow long, and soon I'll hear old winter's song. But I miss you Dankjewel, Jorginho. Sure. So cute. Are your family there? Or yes, they are. Are we doing
Yours and mine?
one mine, another one mine, then yours? Okay.
7 minutes.
Dan gaan we 5 minuten over. Geef mij eens je handen, kijk in mijn ogen. Ik zit vol van iets dat jij me geeft. Heel mijn hart heb ik aan jou gegeven. En zo zal het altijd zijn. Twijfel niet aan hetgeen we samen delen. En geloof me, ik twijfel niet aan jou. Beloof me dat jij jezelf zal blijven. Het is goed zo, niet veranderen voor mij. Voor mij ben jij de liefde. Voor mij ben jij het beste wat er is. Niets meer dan ik zou willen. Je bent alles voor mij. Geef me eens je handen. Ik wil één zijn met je. Mijn plaats is hier bij jou voor heel mijn leven. En ik weet niet zeker of je weet wat je doet met mij. Soms krijg ik kippenvel van jou. En ik word elke dag weer verliefd op dezelfde man. Jij maakt me zo blij als je even naar me lacht. Tot aan mijn laatste adem, tot aan mijn laatste herfst. Tot in de eeuwigheid zal jij het zijn. Voor mij ben jij de liefde. Voor mij ben jij het beste wat er is. Niets meer dat ik zou willen. En als het tegenzit, wil ik dichter bij je zijn. En ik zal voor je zorgen, jouw pijn is mijn pijn. Niets te veel van mij, van jou, want jij bent het. Jij bent het. Voor mij ben jij de liefde. Oh, voor mij. as coisas vulgares que há na vida não deixam-me saudades. Só as lembranças que doem fazem sorrir. A gente que fica na história da história da gente, e outras de quem nem o nome lembramos ouvir. São emoções que dão vida à saudade que trago, aquelas que tive contigo e acabei por perder. Há dias que marcam a alma e a vida de gente, e aquele em que tu me deixaste não posso esquecer. A chuva molhava meu rosto gelado e cansado. As ruas que a cidade tinha já eu percorrera. Ai, 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 ai. Meu choro da moça perdida gritava a cidade. Que o fogo de amor sob a chuva instante choreiro. A chuva ouviu e o calor, meu segredo à cidade. E eis que ela bate no vidro, trazendo a saudade. E a chuva molhava meu rosto gelado e cansado. As ruas que a cidade tinha já eu percorrera. Ai, 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 o meu choro da moça perdida gritava a cidade. Que o fogo de amor sob a chuva instantes morreu. A chuva ouviu e calou meu segredo à cidade. E eis que ela bate no vidro, trazendo a saudade.
Parararara, para. Param, encosta-te a mim. Nós já vivemos 100.000 anos. Encosta-te a mim. Talvez eu esteja a exagerar. Encosta-te a mim. Dá cabo dos teus desenganos. Não queiras ver quem eu não sou. Deixa-me chegar. Chegado da guerra, fiz tudo para sobreviver em nome da terra. No fundo, para te merecer, recebe-me bem. Não desencantes os meus passos, faz de mim o teu herói, não quero adormecer. Tudo o que eu vi, estou a partilhar contigo. O que não vivi, hei de inventar contigo. Eu sei que não sei, às vezes entender o teu olhar, mas quero-te bem. Encosta-te a mim. Encosta-te a mim. Desatinamos tantas vezes, vizinha de mim. Deixa ser meu o teu quintal, percebe esta pomba que não está armadilhada. Foi comprada, foi roubada, seja como for. Eu venho do nada, porque arrasei o que não quis, em nome da estrada, onde só quero ser feliz. Enrosca-te a mim. Vai desarmar a flor queimada, vai beijar o homem bom, quero adormecer. E tudo o que eu vi, estou a partilhar contigo. E o que não vivi, um dia hei de inventar contigo. E eu sei que não sei, às vezes entender o teu olhar, mas quero-te bem. Encosta-te a mim.
Very nice, Jorginho.
Very nice. Obrigado. Olá.
A você.
I noticed how was it in Amar pelos Dois? You sang a thick L, thick as hell, like lo.
In which one?
Amar pelos Dois.
Yeah, which one?
Oh, I don't know. I'll tell you in a bit. I'll tell you and maybe
Planos.
planos. Yeah, I
That's
think
an easy one.
planos.
Sem fazer planos, toco a vida depois. O meu coração,
Coração. That's too nice.
odeia amar pelos dois.
Pelos dois. Pelos dois. That's very
Dutch.
Bijou.
Bijou?
Viseu. It's a city in Portugal. And they speak a bit like this. Yes.
Ha, that's very cute.
Olá, eu sou de Bijou e eu falo assim.
Well, everybody, thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching again. Remember, if you haven't done it, like, subscribe, give us all your puli on Pecha Uff, and then we can start doing merchandise like Linen Tonic with a little purple glass next to it. I'm already looking forward to that. I'm already seeing the caps. Linen Tonic, # living room concerts.
Or sleeveless shirts.
Like wife beaters.
Yeah.
Like Linen Tonic.
Sleeveless shirts,
Guys,
or,
in the comments, write us what merchandise you
linen
want us to
bags,
do with
or
Linen Tonic.
mugs, or
Linen
I mean
bags.
gin glasses.
Gin glasses. That would would be amazing.
Linen tonic.
Linen tonic. That's fantastic. So remember, like, subscribe, give us all your puli. And there's very exciting news about the Christmas ones. By the way, puli means money, in case none of you realize that. So give us all your money, otherwise Joao
Yeah,
gets aggressive.
Probably that's the reason why
Why no?
they're not giving us all their money.
You mean all their puli?
Hey,
Bring us them euros.
Yeah, we love
or
them euros.
pounds. We also accept pounds, do we?
We also accept pounds. We accept all currencies. We're just really nice like
We
that.
accept currencies as long as it is a lot. Not a lot of currencies, but a lot of that currency. See what
Plentiful.
See what I did there? Oh, thank you very much, boy.
Thank you, Poi.
We got a red heart. Oh man, we got a red heart
Oh,
today.
wow. We must have
Aw.
done really well.
Oh,
Oh. Two
Oh,
hearts.
two
Two
red
hearts.
From
Oh,
Raj.
Bra. Bra. Bradinsky.
Oh my god.
Bravinsky.
thank you very much, Roger.
So we
It's
have
very kind.
very exciting news about the Christmas concerts because we have, remember, there's 4 weeks of Christmas, count them out. There's the first one where
On the first week of Christmas, my Benji said to me.
we are doing gorgeous Christmas arrangements. They're going to be gorgeous because you are truly making them.
On the second,
On the second week of Christmas, my Benji said to me.
The first one is with the three of us here at the piano, just here in the Musikkammer, doing nice ones. And then, sorry, second.
On the second week of Christmas, my Benji said to me.
We have the... Yeah, we had a little rehearsal for it today. It was super cute. I know I'm going to speak like this. No, me and Widzinho are in a quartet, which does lots of Christmas stuff every year. So we are going to record a load of Christmas stuff. We're going to sit there with wine and Christmas jumpers and just record random shiz for all y'all.
And,
Third week.
no, now you have to repeat the first one again, because that's how the song goes. Well, two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. So we had the second week of Christmas, and now you have to repeat the first week again.
Okay. Us doing a nice arrangement in the first week. Nice Christmas arrangements here. This is going to be... Okay.
On the third week of Christmas, my Benji said to me.
We have the postcard concert, which... It's going to be absolutely awesome. Shut up, Joel. I can smell the...
can smell.
I can smell the upphasing. Third week, we have this postcard concert, which is going to be absolutely awesome. We have 12 acts have already said yes. Some people from last time, as well as some new faces, including a choir that I sing with in Belgium, Zware Ensemble, are joining us with a choir of 20 people to sing something special. So we have a lot of amazing stuff, and we do have Mariah Carey. Somebody doing Mariah Carey.
No, it's
herself.
the real Mariah Carey.
Yeah.
And then, okay, second week of Christmas was the Christmas quartet with me and with Zinho, and the first week
And,
a lot of nice Christmas arrangements here at the Musikkammer.
on the fourth week of Christmas, my Benji said to me.
So the fourth week is is on Christmas itself, on the 25th. So we are going to do a special like midnight mass thing, and we're going to upload it at midnight Dutch time. So for people who can't make it to mass or regarding lockdown, you guys can stay up and watch it. And for British people, that will be at 11 o'clock. And so if you can't get to midnight mass, then tune in, and we're going to be playing with some really, really nice classical Christmas stuff with a full-on organ, hopefully recorded in a church. This still all has to be organized. This is why we need all your money on Purge It Off, because it takes literally all my week organizing this Christmas stuff. So we'll be busy with it for quite
And
a
it
long
would be
time.
nice to be able to pay people who actually play and sing with us.
That's very true in the long run.
But
And
first
to
of
pay
all,
ourselves.
first of all, to pay ourselves.
You.
But
Anyway,
do
so
you
that
know
was...
if that guy is already joining us?
Who is that guy? No, I don't know.
Oh.
So we have a possible organist, a porganist, if you will. And
And he also
really
plays
like
the
that.
Carillon.
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 So I'm sure all you Dutchies can work out who that was. But, so those are the 4 things of Christmas. Okay.
Yeah, because there's only one
Oh, you have to go for
Carillonist.
Yeah. So
There's only one Carillonist in the Netherlands.
Midnight
so-
Mass, 4th week. 3rd week,
On the
postcard
third
concert
week?
with amazing acts, including a virtual choir.
On the
Possibly
second.
2. The second week, on the second week is Christmas quartet and the
And
beautiful Christmas arrangements here with the three of us. So make sure that in December, like really for sure, December is like tell all your friends and get all of them watching because they're all going to be really interesting and really individual and unique. And if you have any specific Christmas carols that you'd like us to do, let us know. Send it in. Bonus points if they are not in English, as always. If you have a Georgian Russian carol or Old Dutch carol lying around, send it in, and we'll do it.
Thank you and good night.
Why did you stop, bruv? That's the first time I've heard you Mariah Carey.
And I don't wanna lot for Christmas. Everything I knew.
Keep going. I'm loving it, bruv.
I'm loving it.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Pa.
o Joãozinho está a Maria Cariando. Está a Maria Cariar.
Let me see the text.
Estamos falando português.
Estamos flor português.
Estamos a falar português.
So, guys, thank you for joining. Y'all gone quiet in the chat unless my things are not.
Unless the internet is betraying us.
All I want for Natal. All I want for Christmas is you.
This mic is really very audible.
Yeah, it's because you have to check the settings in the computer.
Lynn and Tony.
Like Tony and Guy.
Hashtag Lynn and Tony.
About the presents underneath the Christmas tree.
I don't care about the presents underneath the
What
Christmas
what is
tree.
I just want you for my own. I'll never know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is
Keep going, bro.
Yes.
We're still here. You still have public audience.
11 people.
Thank you, Lynn. Thank you for joining us. Stay safe.
I like being chaps.
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 Chop, chop, chop.
Not really being chaps.
It's very British, isn't it? Chaps. I like the other sort of chaps too, but we don't discuss that on YouTube.
Which other sort of chaps?
I'm thinking about something and I'm quite sure it must be related.
Thank you so much, Pia. Lovely that you were there.
Lovely that
I hope that soon.
Lovely that
I
you
don't
were
talk
there.
like that.
I don't talk like that.
It's so Filipino when you do it. I don't talk like that. Yeah, I really hope next time you're here that we'll be able to do some stuff. Anyway,
Bye-bye,
we're still going to
Jude.
be here for like a little bit. So, yeah. If you have any burning questions that you need asked,
What's
Or
the free?
answering.
Okay.
Or burning sensations?
burning sensations, which the Dr. Hidda is in. So,
If you have any burning sensations, please forward your questions to Dr. Wids.
Dr. Wids.
Do you have the cam on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Just now, since maybe 30 seconds, I thought,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
a nice...
No, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
It's-
Where are you? Here
Wait, let's see.
or there?
in the middle.
Oh, that's so
Here?
cute. Wids, you look
Are you here?
adorable.
You here?
Yeah, exactly.
Wait, let me check in my iPhone.
It's nice, but you
Okay.
disappear.
Oh
behind
yeah.
the
Ah.
Oh wait, okay, do it, and you can see my arm clearly, but it works. It works.
So cute.
Welcome to the future.
Oh yeah, technology.
Família do João. Se vocês há uma canção
Têm.
canção,
Se têm. Se vocês têm. Se vocês têm.
what did I say?
Se vocês há.
Yeah, I heard it.
Because it's the...
Really?
É o verbo...
Ik
Eu-
dacht al van, wat?
É o verbo haver. E haver
Brascan.
é eu tenho, tu tens, ele tem. You see? Haver. And the first singular person is tenho. But the verb is haver.
Portuguese.
It's not going in. Just tell your family if they have a song in Portuguese, let me know.
Se vocês há uma canção em português, por favor digam.
What did you want to say anyway?
If they have a song, let me know.
Então,
In Portuguese.
Okay.
Se vocês há uma canção
Têm.
em português que me deixem saber.
digam.
It's very Spanish. Si
Que me deixa.
vosotros,
Que me dejan saberlo.
si ustedes ya tienen una canción en mente para mí para cantar, que me lo digan.
Nice.
That's what voces is, right? Oh no, vosotros.
Yeah.
Hey Arie, dankjewel. Slaap lekker ook. Tot volgende week.
Oh, that's very nice that Arie is
Ja.
always with us since that one time.
En als je zou willen, dan mag je
Als.
altijd een klein kijkje naar Patch Off doen. Dat zouden we heel erg op prijs stellen.
Can you say that als again?
Wat zei je?
Als.
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 You're getting a bit of it, isn't it?
For Portuguese
The
L.
thick L's.
Yeah, for sure, bro. Because I spend so much time working on it. It's like with S's in Dutch, because they're not like English S's. There's like so much air on them. The sh, like
So-
s.
You're saying the English S's are different from the Dutch S's.
S.
Yeah. And then I really had to
You
work
see what
on
I
it.
did there?
I really had to work on it when I came
Oh, I
here.
get it. I get it now.
Anyway, I really had to work on it when I came
English
here.
asses.
And now when
It's like posteriors.
Like posteriors.
only with a Portuguese accent though.
L's.
Asses.
Buns.
Oh my lord, Jesus.
Dude,
But
S's, asses. That's not really a
asses.
pun in Bringlish. Anyway,
Bring.
I really like how both of you copied it with Bringlish. That was a really, really nice concert. I was very happy with that. We're still live. Hello.
Of course we are.
I'm a bit out of it. Olá, Pedro.
Olá.
Carreira.
Olá, Pedro.
Pedro Carreira.
But so it's the same thing because with Portuguese I'm having to really like
Oh,
and then I realize when I'm speaking Spanish I'm like hola and I'm like what just
Hola.
happened?
They speak like that in Catalonia as well.
Yeah,
A little bit.
it's very hola.
Rossignol.
Yeah.
Rossignol,
Yeah, that's nice.
Bell.
I mean,
Bell.
there are interviews in Spanish with Catalan people on YouTube, and they have this "ul" as well. It's
Oh,
really
that's
cool.
very
They have it in
cute.
Catalan.
Ol.
That was-
Rossignol, que vassa França.
Que vais
Rossignol,
para a França. Que
que
vais para a França.
vais para a França. Rossignol, Ancomana Mar. I really liked how you sung that. Ancomana Mar. It was so nice.
In my head, it sounds like that. I mean,
Yeah, no, but
it
I-
wasn't an accident.
It's really
You
like
mean
that's what it is.
like that?
It was
Like
just
that?
it was just really lovely.
Like
Thank you. Do we have some ASMR material for Joao, maybe?
I don't have
Oh.
any. Oh, I have
Super lief berichten.
koekjes.
Koetjes.
Koekjes.
Koetjesrepen.
Nee.
They're really delicious little chocolate bars that are called koetjesrepen, like cow bars.
I don't know that.
It's really nice. It's very, very light milk chocolate.
Not a big fan of milk chocolate.
And then, I mean, mostly the name is just nice. Koetjesreep.
Can you check on the outside person?
My sister's been requesting Africa. My sister's requested Africa since the summer. Sorry, Beth.
Yeah, that one. Now we'll have some ASMR material for our.
Oh no.
Oh, nice.
Man, those are
these are
so nice.
These are really delicious.
That's probably the best cookies I've found in the Netherlands.
Yes.
Cookies.
Heb ik klaar, dames.
Oh, Yadim's not watching us
No,
today.
your team's
Oh.
being a poo-poo and hanging out with a friend instead. How dare he have a social life? I was like, for sure it's a grinder date.
Oh.
Yeah, you hear it. But when I put this one on, both of
Yeah.
them are sort of echoed away. This is really good with cappuccino as well. I take it very often.
Thank you. Não, obrigado.
No, obrigado.
Nee, dank je.
Obrigado. I was thinking today I might do the try and do like the DELE, the learning Spanish as a second language, and finally get my C2 in Spanish. Today, yeah. I would book in for the 12 o'clock. I'll be with him on the midnight train to Georgia. Oh, we should do that one for real, bro.
I know what I can do.
Leaving on the midnight train. Okay, we're writing that down. Shouldn't we be packing away?
A arte existe porque a vida não é suficiente.
Existe.
Existe. A arte existe porque a vida não é suficiente.
Are you guys ready for this? Pom pom pom.
Oh. It's time for restoration facts with João.
Oh yeah.
We're back.
Nice.
Oh, we need a theme song.
Were you saying something, Benjamin?
He was trying to come up with a theme song.
No, I just wanted to be dramatic. Like I tried to say like 3 different things, and then you guys were just talking between yourselves.
Sorry, Benjamin.
No, it's okay. It's fine. The damage has been done.
Good.
Finally. It took us some
Finally.
time.
A week of living together and the damage. Y'all were saying?
How has living together been so far?
We live together
Wait.
now, and it's so nice.
Or do you want to do restoration facts first?
I want to do
Sorry.
restoration facts.
Restoration facts with João and then living together facts with João and Benji.
The moderator has spoken. He's the guy. And we're back with restoration facts.
Cool.
Yeah, right.
Dynamic.
Really like a TV show. Today we're focusing on straw roofs. Sorry, wrong page.
This could be merch as well. Restoration facts with João.
And one of those sweaters, like the Christmas sweaters, you press the button and
That's a good idea. I mean, I don't know if it's really stupid or really good, but I like it anyway.
I mean, it's not stupid if it works.
That's true. Yeah.
Is it reed straw?
Yeah. Read.
Okay. Today we're focusing on.
I thought it was Dutch.
Wait.
Oh, this
I
is
have
an
to
introduction.
make an introduction
Oh, yo, okay.
for people who don't understand English. today we're focusing on roofs made with reed. Tot zover de dakbedekkingen die wij bij restauraties zelden of nooit zullen. Oh, jeez, this is a really hard word. Tegenkomen. Het rieten dak daarentegen wordt nog steeds gemaakt. En lang niet altijd met evenveel succes. Dat kan aan de rietdekker liggen, maar ook aan de architect die bij het vormen van het dak te weinig heeft gedacht aan de specifieke eisen die Riete stelt. German with Dutch. En tenslotte ook aan de opdrachtgever, die onvervoelbare wezen koestert. Het zal daarom goed zijn over het gieten dak iets meer te zeggen. Here you see you can have a small introduction about it. Om te beginnen, de dakling bijhouden boerderijen ligt die als regel omstreeks de 55 degrees graden. Bij oud-kubigen of andere aanbouwen wil de helling wel eens wat minder worden. Mits deze niet flauwer wordt dan 40 graden, kan met riet worden gedekt. And this was it for today. See you next week in the next episode. The next episode we will speak about floor tiles.
Thank you, João. It's actually written in a very funny way.
Had ik niet opgelezen.
What I think is funny about it is that it's really like 1950s documentary. So let's have a look at the building process, shall we? And sort of filling every thought in for the I don't know, the person that makes the roofs, etc. And it's mathematic as well. I don't know, the way it's written is quite funny.
They're very specific with the degrees and everything.
Like between 55 and 40.
Yeah. No, but even for men neemt daarvoor draad nummer 8 meer dan 4 millimeter dik in plaats van harden en draad nummer 18 1,2 millimeter dik.
It's so specific as well.
plaats
It's like a
van
manual.
Yeah, it's supposed to be kind of a manual.
Is it like a study book?
Yeah, I think so. Even the drawing, not this one, but the drawings are also very, very, very specific. For roof tiles.
Oh, Pia's going to send some Slovenian carols through for us to do.
Nice.
Cool.
Very nice.
But look at this one.
Cool.
It's very, very specific. Hoge lei for the foot. Like all the degrees and...
I could do some nice restoration facts as well, but about a different restoration.
That's a new YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Restoration facts.
That's
Just reading.
your theme song. Just that. Restoration facts. I suck.
Yeah, it's difficult.
If y'all were gay, it wouldn't be difficult. Just pointing out that. There's a reason that it's difficult for me to do maths is the same reason as it's difficult for you guys to. It's just one of those things, you know?
Shall we start cleaning?
I think so. Oh, it's so good. Have you ever had Bastogne koeken?
Mm.
They're similar to this, only ribbed for our pleasure. For our pleasure. I took one of these things to Portugal, and my mom loved them. Want to stop me?
Yeah, I guess so. There's not many people there today.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Oh, someone wrote something. Oh, Hida. Oh, was it Hida or his parents? Hida.
Bye bye.
Adeus.